Patients with diseases including leukemia, type 1 diabetes, multiple sclerosis, lupus, sickle cell anemia, and dozens of other maladies have significantly benefited from adult stem cell transfers. Stephen Sprague, who will speak to you in a moment, was diagnosed with leukemia, got his umbilical cord blood transfer way back in 1997, and is walking proof that cord blood stem cells work. Now, the greatest of all breakthroughs, induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPS cells, offer hope for cures using embryo-like cells without killing embryos. On November 20th, 2007, scientists Dr. Shinya Yamanaka and Wisconsin researcher Dr. James Thompson, and you'll remember Dr. Thompson was the one who brought forward embryonic stem cells. Well, these two men shocked the scientific community by independently announcing their ability to derive induced pluripotent cells by reprogramming regular skin cells. And unlike embryonic stem cells that kill the donor, are highly unstable, and have a propensity to morph into tumors and are likely to be rejected by the patient unless strong anti-rejection medicines are administered, induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPS cells, have none of those deficiencies and are emerging as the future, the greatest hope of regenerative medicine. Mr. Obama is way behind the times. Making Americans pay for embryo-destroying stem cell research is not change we can believe in. Far from it. It is politics. A decade ago, the false hope of embryo-destroying research made it very difficult to oppose. That is no longer the case. So the question arises, why persist in the dehumanizing of nascent human life when better alternatives exist? Alternatives that work on both ethics grounds and efficacy grounds. Non-embryonic stem cells, especially iPS cells, is the present and it is the future of regenerative medicine and the only responsible way forward.